Hey friends, if Google Chrome is unresponsive and not responding, then here's what you can do to fix the problem. Now, first of all, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Right click on the Chrome process and then select End Task. Now try to open it once again. Okay, and it will open. But if it does not, then simply restart your computer and try again. And I'll tell you why this can help, because it will restart all the services of the computer as well. Now if that doesn't help either, then search for Chrome in the Windows search bar, click on the download pointing arrow, uninstall it. Okay, now we will search for Chrome, click on these three dots here and uninstall it. Okay, now once it is uninstalled, go to the Chrome download website. Okay, and then download the latest version of Chrome and click on open. It will install by itself. You don't need to do anything further. You can simply minimize it and continue with your work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.